The diesel power plant has the following auxiliaries. First is fuel supply system, then air intake system, exhaust system, cooling system, lubricating system, and engine starting system. We can see one by one. First one is fuel supply system. Fuel supply system consists of storage tanks, stainers, fuel transfer pump, and all-day fuel tank. The oil is stored in the storage tank. From the storage tank, oil is pumped to the smaller all-day tank at daily or short intervals. From this tank, fuel is passed through the stainers to remove suspended impurities. The clean oil is injected to the engine by injection pump. Means, firstly, we can store the fuel or store the diesel in fuel tank. Then from this, a fuel is transferred to the all-day tank. All-day tank means the fuel required for the day or for some particular interval we can store at that location or all-day fuel tank. From that location we transfer the fuel to the diesel engine. Before supplying to the diesel engine, we can remove the all impurities from the diesel or from the fuel. Next, air intake system. This system supplies necessary air to the engine for fuel combustion. All we know, for proper combustion of the fuel, we need the air supply also. The fuel air ratio is the fuel air ratio is, or we can say fuel air ratio is 1:20, 1:20, or we can say air fuel ratio is 20:1, or it is changed as per requirement. So it consists of pipes for the supply of fresh air to the engine manifold. Filters are provided to remove dust particles from air which may act as abrasive in the engine cylinder. So before providing the air to the diesel engine, we can install a filters or air filters to remove the dust particles from the air, because we need the fresh air, or if impurities are going to the diesel engine, the problems are arises. Then next one is exhaust system. The system leads the engine exhaust gas outside the building and discharges into atmosphere. A silencer is usually incorporated in the system to reduce the noise level. So we know that the exhaust system is having the chimney for removing the exhaust gases to the atmosphere, because if we do not remove the exhaust from atmosphere or leave these gases or exhaust gases at that location, then the smoke or smokes are present in that area, so visibility are reduced. That's why we need to chimney. Before before gases passes from before exhaust gases passing to the chimney, we need to install a silencer to reduce the noise level and remove the impurities from the exhaust gases. Next, cooling system. The cooling system consists of water source, pump, and cooling tower. The pump circulates the water through cylinder and head jackets. The water takes from the engine and itself becomes hot. The hot water is cooled by cooling tower and is recirculated for cooling. In cooling system, the water source means the water source is either river, lake, or any underground water sources is used as a water source. Then pump is used for pumping the water from water source to the boiler, or we can say diesel engine to the diesel engine. And cooling tower, in cooling towers the exhaust gases or hot water is passing through the cooling tower to cool down the water. The pump circulates the water through cylinders and head jackets. Because in cylinder and head jacket the temperature is very high, to reduce the temperature or to reduce the temperature level, the water is circulating through it. The water takes away from the engine and itself becomes hot. Because of temperature in the diesel engine is very high, that's why the water is heated, and the water coming from the engine is very hot. To reduce the temperature or to cool down this water, we can passing this water to the by the cooling tower and recirculate this